Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster. Come see the car for yourself.